Okay, so today I'm thinking about just snorkeling here in the River Raisin again. Today I'm over by Rossler Street. You guys can see the bridge. That's Rossler Street right there. I think I might go in underneath the bridge here and just kind of work my way down, maybe to St. Mary's Park. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my metal detector, go home and suit up. Water looks pretty good as far as visibility is, and I'm sure it's a little cold, so I'll put my wetsuit on and yeah, I'll see what I can find. Alright, so I thought I'd take a few seconds and show you guys the camera that I found here in the River Raisin. I just cleaned it up a little bit. My daughter Kendall actually uses this in her room as a decoration. I have no idea the make or the year of the camera. There was actually a little piece of glass that fell out of here. As you can see, I can open up this door. No idea what kind of cassette tape it looks like that might have went in there. Unable to see any type of manufacturer. Yeah, cleaned up kind of cool. Alright, thanks for watching.